We're going to the park. Coyote in the area. Katakot naman. May coyote.
So ayun na nga, dumayo kami sa East Part ng London para makipagbanding sa aming mga friends. Buti na lang, may malawak na field at magandang playground malapit sa kanilang bahay. Mas gusto talaga namin na inilalabas ang mga bata para naman hindi lang puro gadget ang nasa isip nila, di ba?
Hi guys! Yeah! Don't! Smile, besties!
Honestly, a few days before this, I was going through something very personal. Kaso, syempre, hindi naman natin pwedeng idama yung mga bata kahit na minsan parang susuko na tayo sa sitwasyon na kinakaharap natin. So, I decided na bumisita na lang kami sa friends namin kahit na medyo malayo, magbiyahe para lang talaga may makausap and bonus na tong sobrang ganda ng panahon nung araw na yun. Kaya nailabas namin yung mga bata.
Very Filipino. Hulaan mo na lang kung anong laman. Wala na silang ka-effort. Yung hangin na yung nag-adjust.
So, double purpose, nakapaglaro na yung kids sa labas, nakapag-relax pa ang mga nanay.
Why yours is always a lot?
Look at the paper.
Thank you.
Napaka-therapeutic din na makita ang mga bata na nag-e-enjoy lang habang naglalaro. Hay, sobrang hirap maging adult, 'di ba? Ang sarap balikan yung mga panahon na wala tayong ibang iniisip kundi laro at pagkain. And it's such a blessing to be surrounded by great people. Lalo na sa journey natin dito sa Canada.
Dadaan kami sa trail. Loob ng forest.
The flowers. Yeah, this one. Wasp.
Wasp!
Get on the flowers.
Oh, yeah, I saw it. Careful with the wasp. Mag-bestie.
What's it called? The flowers?
Mag-bestie lang po yan. Action!
Hi, Daddy.
Ano kaya yun? Huh? There is? No. Ba, kanya-kanya tayong takbo. Hindi sila nagbibitaw, oh.
Besties forever.
Yeah. What's that? Oh, is that a butterfly? What is it? Oh no, it's like... Oh no, it's just a leaf. Oh, it's like... What is that? Someone put it there.
They're all on the trail. I saw another one.
Oh, okay.
Behind.
It's like a guide.
No, it's not a guide. It's a heart. With meaningful words.
With meaningful words? Ang cute itong dalawa, oh.
Because there are.
Ang ganda, oh. Grabe talaga yung hawakan nila. Mushroom inside? This is what I love about Canada. Nature. Nature!
Did you show them the mushrooms?
So nice, yes. Ganda nito kapag nag full bloom. Oh my gosh. I like this view. I like this view. Oops.
Maybe.
Until next ganap!